Welcome back to another video. Let's go. Another trading video, guys. I see you guys made it. It's 8 a.m. Eastern time. Y'all know what time it is. It's money time. So basically today I just want to start off with y'all already know we playing gold. We don't even play around with any other pairs. We're just gonna run through our little checklist real quick. So first we're going to see what the news has to offer us today. So we do have a little high news here, all right? And here's the reason, okay? All right, at 9:45, we have CAD high news. And at 10 o'clock, we have high news, okay? At this 10 o'clock time here. So that's what we have. That's what we're working with. So we do have some news, all right? Could bring in some volume, okay? So let's just get back to the charts real quick. All right. Now, let's check our monthly. We can start. We'll just do a quick top-down analysis, okay? Monthly has been crazy, guys. We don't got to check it too often because it's been the same every time we check it, all right? Except for the fact that it's a new month, all right? But let's go down to the weekly real quick. All right, looking at weekly, let me take this off. If you look at the weekly, guys, and you see how she has been up, and then kind of like stalling here, right? Well, look at this this candle right here. All right, let me show you. Right there, okay? That candle, that white candle, okay? This one. This one, right, was engulfed by the next one, the black one, okay? So this candle, white candle, was engulfed by the black candle. And then after that, we got that push. The next candle was a push down below the black candle. Okay? So now we're coming with a new week. All right? A new week candle. So let's just keep dropping down. We do notice that we have liquidity below. We have gaps here, gaps here, gaps here. So this insufficiency in price will get filled in the future. We don't know when. We just know in the future it will get filled. Okay? So let's drop down to the daily. All right, so the daily, this is what we have in the daily. We have all this push up. We have another push up and then slam down right here. This black candle, and then these black candles is kind of showing me that, yo, we're getting sellers in this market, okay? We're getting sellers in this market based off the daily, right? And we sitting at, oops, my bad, guys. Hold on. We're sitting at 2330, what? 3332, 2332 right now. Okay, so let's keep moving. Before we move on, let's look at this liquidity. There's liquidity sitting here. This wick here is holding lots of liquidity, and then there's gaps below all of that. So these could be our targets. This area here, this candle here with this wick, and then there's some gaps below right here. There's a little gap here. We're going to target those areas, okay? Well, at least I am. Okay, so we'll come on here to the 4-hour real quick. And based off of what we just saw on the daily, the weekly, the monthly, all of this has been going on in that time. All right. So we're just going to analyze this real quick and see what we got. Now, we do have some highs up here, a little higher price where there is liquidity. There's a gap right here. We can see that. We can see that there's two wicks down here, so we can see these wicks. We can see this wick right here. Liquidity sitting here. We got liquidity sitting over here. And then we have gaps down here where there's liquidity sitting in this area here at lower prices. All right, so right now, we're in a consolidation, but based off of where liquidity is sitting and what we have above, okay, we even have these wicks here, these are all liquidity. But the way this market is sitting right here in this consolidation area, all right, we need a side to get taken. This is where, this is a build up of liquidity. They're just moving sideways. This is the build up of liquidity, guys. All right, so these bottoms here, here were taken from here. They had a little quick push down and then a push up, taking this top liquidity here, right? Taking liquidity over here, but we didn't get all the way up here. All right, we didn't get up to this part either, or this point. All right, so we're in a zone, right? Let me see this zone. Okay, we haven't really broken out of this zone. All right, I've already pointed out to you the liquidity area. So right now you're seeing liquidity here, here, right? If we was to come back up into these price points, this will be my targets. If we are to come down, right, this will be my target. This would be my target. These would be my target, right? I would be aiming for those, and this, of course, down here would be my target, which I would bring this up just a little bit right there, right? But we already got dollar sign there. So, we're in this channel right here, which is really tough to call a trade in what direction, in which direction this market is going to go in. So basically off of the sales, off of the downside, we'll be looking for sales, and the upside we'll be looking for buys. So I just want to get into a little deeper into this and see if I can possibly catch something, see something. But I already know that based off of how this market is looking, we're in a channel. Okay, so let's see. She hit my point of interest that I had right here, this eye. And look, she literally came down and smacked straight through it, completely closing it. Right? So let's see what else we got going on here. I like to mark up just about everything that my eyes catches. So my eye just is catching that. All right. That's a nice little point of interest area to keep my eyes on. And then we have like these tops here. We have this here. So we do have some money sitting up here. They can easily come here and grab this money. Okay. So we'll just slide this over. Okay. So now you guys see what I see. So this here would probably be an area of where they will return back to. So I'll keep my eyes on that. And then we have these wicks here. So this looks like an area of where they could come back down to, these wicks. And if they did, they'd come in here, because there's a gap below. So how will we trade this? I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It's midweek. We have high news, and the markets is in a consolidation area. How can we trade this? You would literally have to wait. Okay, just because we've been trading every day, um, just about. There's been a day that we haven't traded. You know, there was a no trading day based off of what was going on in the markets. I chose not to trade that day, right? Every day doesn't have to be a trading day. Okay, so me personally, I would wait because this would be a guessing game. She needs to show me what they're wanting to do. This is not enough, right? We still have tops up here. We still have bottoms. We haven't taken really a side. We haven't figured out which direction we really, really want to go in just yet. Now, if I could base it off of like the little story that we have going on here, I mean, I would say at these double bottoms, and we got triple tops, and we got these tops here. Well, I would say we take the tops and then come take the bottoms. But we could take the bottoms and then take the tops. But I really need to see what's really going on in the market before I could do that. I really need them to make a move. This right here is not, it's not enough for me to say, hey, we're going to sell this market, or hey, we're going to buy this market. Look, for hours, guys, hours we have been sitting in the same price zone. Okay, just playing in this zone. Okay, so let's see what more we could do since we're down on the 1 hour. Let's tighten this bad boy up. We do see this here. I see nothing but liquidity sitting here. So we got our dollar sign over that. We got our dollar sign over this one. And we have our dollar sign over this wick here. Okay. And then we have these tops here. So, but this dollar sign represents the area where they could aim for. Kind of looking like, due to the fact that they didn't continue to the downside, was giving me an idea that they wanted to continue up. And the idea did play out, right? She did continue up from yesterday. Now, will we continuing up? Well, strong possibility, guys. Look at all this money just sitting here. There's a lot of money just sitting there. So if we really was to, you know, let's just see. Man, I would have loved, okay, here we go, push up, down, push up. All right, so we could come up and get up into this area here. And then from here, I don't know, we could tap in here and turn around. Or, because if you look here, they kind of tapped into it. Insufficiency in price, if you look left. Right? This insufficiency here, this did it. This tapped into it. Strong chance of us still continuing to the high side because we didn't close this gap. We just tapped into it. Pull back a little bit, grab some more liquidity. Now we can push up, possibly. Right? That sounds about right. Sounds good. Let's look here on the hourly. We got price action looking amazing. Right? Could we buy this market? Take it to the upside due to the fact that price action looks good. This gap was only tapped into, right? Liquidity sitting above, liquidity sitting below. We have to wait because we're in this crazy channel here. Even though this is a lot of pips of a channel, right? We got like 480 pips of a channel. right? But I want to make sure that we're aiming for liquidity areas. You don't want to just jump into this market, guys, without really going through the story and finding liquidity areas that they have it. Let's see, let's tighten this up. And it's way up here now. Based off the 15-minute, that's where it's sitting. So push up, okay, push up, take liquidity, reverse, okay. I mean, we have a gap here, and a little gap here. And we have been like pushing up, right? Ever since here, we've been moving up. So what I want to see now is I want to see her probably get up in this area. This would be a better, you know, area of where I would shoot from, most likely for a sell. Right here. This would be my point of interest area. I will get like up in this area. It's probably not leaving like that much of a gap. It's like 14 pips, 15 pips almost of a gap right there. I can do that. I can get in here and hold 20, 30 pip, 40 pip, 50 pip, using this as a previous high as my stop loss area, right? That looks okay. If not, then we're aiming for all of these. This is where we would aim for. And this will also be target also with a point of interest. Oops. Okay. So we filled this little 15-minute gap and reversed. Where's our news? What did we say news was? 8:15. Oh, so the news is already popped off. We already got our news. Let's see. Well, this was what happened. That quick push up. Pull down. Swipe liquidity this way. Swipe liquidity that way. So we cleared the board on the 1 minute. Nice little move on them clearing the board. But this strong candle here, and it's a 1 minute candle. It's not even strong. It's just a 1 minute candle. Push up, come down. We could see her come back down to these lows areas, these wick areas. All these monies sitting below, right? We could see that. I'm just running through it. Let's see. Or could we get up here to this top? This is liquidity too. And let's look at the fact that we have a gap sitting right here at this top. So, and then up here was my area of where I would have loved to enter. So let's see. Did she swiped up? She swiped down? She cleared liquidity there. All right, so look like they're wanting to buy up. Buy up from here to there. All right. Let's keep looking. Let's look at the 1 hour. Nice little push on the 1 hour since market open. Okay. this would be the area here. So they kind of broke out of this little zone here. So they're kind of breaking out of that. So it does look like they could possibly be taking this market back up into this area here. So let me see something. Just updating my group real quick. Okay. Let's see, what would that be? 31, maybe. Yeah, we can do that. All right. Oops, my bad. Okay, yeah. All right, so dollar. I got some money. I recognize where the liquidity is sitting now, and I'm seeing like how they're reacting to the news, the push up. I'm seeing liquidity above here, and then I'm seeing an area that we could possibly reach, right? Which is about 100 clicks out, 110 clicks out, right? Go to the 4-hour real quick. All right, looking at this, down. We never got up here. All right, never got up there. So we could be trying to get up there now. And if we bust through here, this would be great. Let's see if we could. We already had news, so news done did its thing. Let's see if maybe we can get that there. Let's see, all the way back up here, taking this high here, getting up to this liquidity area zone. Maybe that would work out. Cause see, the stop loss would have to be like right. I would make it tight. All right, right here at 36 pips. Let's see. We did get up in here and we closed it. As you can see, we closed it, right? We reached in, pushed past it, and came down, but strong chance of us still continuing to the high side on this one. Getting up into this area, which is about 100 clicks out, all right? It's about 100 clicks out. News did only just this little bit of, damage. They didn't really do nothing. Down, up. They cleared the board there. They took the tops here, right? But it's still, liquidity further higher, but there is still liquidity below. So maybe this stop could be too close, but it's a 36 pip stop. We could go below this low. That'd be like a 50 pip stop. Good morning. Do we want to do a 50 pip stop, or do we want to use this area as an entry, or could this been a target? So let me double check down here real quick. I see this here, boom, retrace back into this area, come here, push up, retrace, push up. We might be done with this push up move. Let me double check. Are we done? Let's just double check this real fast. Man, all of this liquidity right here, man, I swear I want to target that. But I also want to hit up here to target these lows. That's what I want. I want to target these lows here after she gets up to this area. So I'm kind of like super, super early in the trade. But, sales look good too. You know, it's like, see, if you find yourself like trying to figure out like, all right, these tops got taken or whatever, it could be just a time to just sit back and just wait. You know, it's a waiting game. So you might just have to have just a little bit of patience when it comes to trying to find a position in these markets. Because right now it's Wednesday, it's midweek. We've been trading all week, smashing these markets. So they will make it jumble like this, jumbled up, just to try to confuse you. But I'm just trying to look and see what do I see. If I see anything that's giving me the indication that this market is going to sell versus the buy side. So maybe they come down versus come down. This is where I wanted them to be at. I want them to come back down into this area. But it's not about what I want, right? It's not about that. It's about what the market is going to do. So let's see. This would be the call to come up to this area, which is about 90 clicks out. Let's get there. Can we get there? We could get there. We could definitely get there, guys. All right. Definitely get to up here. This is money sitting here in this gap. See this gap look left? There's a gap. All right. So I want to aim for that. I ain't even going to lie, guys. I just want to aim for this gap here, and then I want to get up in this area. Somewhere up in this area is where I would be looking for a short, right? It would be more, say, like this. As soon as she get there, oops. Dang it. Still in drawing mode. Okay, so I will look left here and see what's going on in this area. Let's see, make sure we don't got no more. We do have more insufficiency in price above right here. It's sneaky, it's small, but hey, it's there. That's money too. Right? That's money. Right? All right, so could we get up there? This would be, so we got one shot, right? This would be a shot here as far as like me looking for shorts or something. I could have possibly shorted this area here, or I want to short this area here and bring her down. Which one would be better, you know? Let's see. And then maybe bring it all the way down here, like that. This is what I want to see, guys. I want to see this. I want to see her get up here and then come down. Let's look at DXY. What are you doing, DXY? DXY We didn't get down here just yet, but we did get here. So guess what? Guess what happened with these guys here? They're gone. Their stop losses are gone. Okay. Now, I'm seeing DXY trending to the downside. Right? I want to see it get below here. Because if it get below here, actually get below. Yeah, let's get below this area. And get down to here. Right? That's what I want. Because of the fact that there is liquidity sitting right there. Down here below. But if this DXY continues, like let's say DXY pushes up more, gold will continue to fall. Right? If DXY falls, then gold will continue to rise. Right? We will have to wait and see. Overall, I ain't even going to lie, I've been wanting gold to fall. But how many other people have been wanting gold to fall too? You know what I mean? Just to get below these lows, that area there. But maybe we can get back up into this area before actually making our transition to the downside. Right? That's possible. Coming back up to this insufficiency in price and then falling. Or continue to fall. Leave this insufficiency in price. Fall. Leave this for later on in the future. Continue to fall. Get below these lows. Right? That's a strong possibility. So, again, if DXY continues to rise, then gold will fall. But if DXY falls, then gold will rise. I want to see gold get up here to these highs. Or, you never know. She might just fall. It's Wednesday. You know, it's midweek. You can already see that we're in a zone, a consolidation zone where we're kind of like stuck in. And we haven't like popped up or popped down. We haven't did anything yet. We're just sitting here, right? You have to literally figure out like, all right, well, we've been trending down and then we're stopping. Well, we have a bunch of things going on above. We have this top here. We have gaps here. We have wicks and top wicks up here. Okay. So this is kind of giving me more an idea of this market moving to the upside versus the downside, even though I see liquidity locations underneath, like liquidity is sitting underneath, right? But I'm also seeing you have to be able to, guys, you have to point out where liquidity is sitting. Liquidity is sitting here on these wicks. Liquidity is sitting in between these gaps, like the insufficiency in price. There's liquidity. So let me see. Boom. All right. Hold on. Where are we? I think I'm using 8 cap. All right, cool. Okay, so again, so the target would be this area, this liquidity, this point of interest area up here, and then way up here above is a little small gap on the lower time frame. You know, they're real sneaky with it. This is why I mark it, so I know I can see it. Like, look, you wouldn't be able to see a gap on the 15-minute. You would just go for this one here, right? And you'd be like, well, maybe I'll shoot here, not realizing that there was money sitting above too. Before they actually do a turnaround, they're going to grab their money. All right, that's just how This is how big boys are going to play, right? And here I am just walking through the story, not doing too much. I'm just basically looking at places where liquidity is sitting. You don't see me doing no crazy willy-nilly big terms that you don't quite understand. All right. So I'm just basically just sitting back waiting to see if I can aim up here. That's it. That's all I'm doing, is seeing if we can get up to this area here. If we come back and we're out, actually, what is this, 31? Yeah. All I want to do now is put an alert at 31, and I'm going to put an alert at 38. I'm going to put an alert at 40 and 42. And let's see, will they let me do that? All right, cool. Just 3 of them. That's fine. I don't mind, because if the first two get smacked, you know, I'll just move an alert. I'll just add an alert to 40, 2342 right here above this high, right? And this will be the next zone that I would be aiming for, like them coming up to this high, taking that high and look left, continuing up, getting in this area, insufficiency of price. That's basically all that I'm really looking for, guys. People be thinking like, listen, trading is difficult in the beginning because you don't know shit. And then you got all these people, these influencers that are trying to teach you to trade, but they're teaching you shit that you can learn on YouTube or not YouTube, but basic YouTube, Google, you know what I'm saying? Google University, going to YouTube University. But the thing is that makes me different is I've noticed that I don't trade like those guys. I don't do none of that stuff that they be doing. I know we have ICT trading, I know we have people out there that does retail trading, and they'll be doing ICT trading and think that they're doing institutional trading when they still retailing, right? So I'm not coming here to talk to y'all about that retail trading. I'm sitting here to show y'all target areas, liquidity spots, what the banks are doing, right? We're trading with the banks, guys. The banks got all the money, not the retailers, right? But the banks need the retailers in order to move price, to capture their areas, their prices, their stop losses, to move in another direction, right? They got to hedge themselves into position by doing a sell to buy or a buy to sell. But when they do that, they're taking liquidity every time. Every time. And that's all that I'm trying to expose here, is how simple this could be if you looked at it from a whole different perspective. What if you looked at this market as like you just taking shots, like you're shooting down range? Where are you aiming? Are you aiming for this target, or are you aiming for these targets? Are you aiming for this target? Are you aiming for that target? What are you aiming for? Okay. Now, I don't like to be on here and bore anybody. I'm like the teacher. You got two types of teachers. Some teachers, they're long and drawn out and boring, but they do get their point across, but it takes forever. Or you could be in a class with a teacher that gets you straight to the point, gives you the shortcuts, help you reach your destination faster, quicker, in a short period of time versus taking all day and hours and hours and hours to teach you a lesson. It don't take hours and hours and hours to teach the lesson. It just takes, you know, minimum an hour. An hour is good. You don't need to do 30 minutes minimum to an hour, I would say. I ain't gonna be here all day trying to teach you something. Especially the way that I break down my teaching is that I do this where a kid can do it. If I could teach a child, which I have, then I know I could teach an adult, right? I just need to fix your eyes to see what I see, right? So also a lot of my trading, I'm not even going to lie, be as transparent as possible, is intuition. Why? I say that is because I have been watching these markets for a very long time, and I kind of got an intuition on where market could be going based off of the data that's being shown to me, right? I could say my intuition is a part of my trading. It is 100%, right? So let's just keep going, and I'm trying to help you guys out, right? I want to say thank you again. I can't thank you guys enough. I'm noticing my subscribers are going up. Thank you guys. I really, really appreciate it. For all the ones that have subscribed to my channel, and watching my channel. I'm seeing a lot of people share my videos. Man, I'm super grateful for y'all. Straight up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps out a lot in the algorithm. Put me in the algorithm so I can get this video out in front of more people. So that they can, pick up on some nuggets and be profitable. So yeah, thank you for that. Make sure you hit that like button too. All these little things that you could do, or they're all free, guys. They're free. I'm not asking you to pay for shit. It's free, right? So, because I'm here to help you. I think this is my 99th video on my YouTube channel. Boy, I was aiming to hit 100 videos before the end of the year. And here we are halfway through the year, and tomorrow literally would be my 99, my 100 video. I think today is my 99, and I think tomorrow is my 100 video. I mean, that's just amazing. That it's just work. Every day is this putting myself in front of everybody else, right? Giving a fuck about my own business, right? And look at the growth. That is, I don't care if don't nobody comment, like, or anything, or subscribe. It's about the consistency that I have proved to myself that I am capable of. And you too are capable of it. I have been coming on this stream. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy to come on a stream and trade live with y'all and show y'all trading, live. You think that's easy? That's not easy, right? Unless you know what the heck you're doing. But I finally have reached my, getting ready to reach my goal, and I'm like super happy about it, guys. Like for real, like super, super, super happy. So thank you to myself. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm over here. I'm calling out some profits, right? Closing them profits out. You feel me? All right. So we have got an alert, and we are crossing 2338. And 2338 was our first TP in the group. If you are new to my channel and you have not joined in my Telegram group, in the description below, there's a link. It's free. I placed this same trade in the group. So if you're not, if for example, you don't be on my YouTube channel, right? But but you still want the trades. If you're in the Telegram group, then you're going to get the trade. All right. If you're in the Telegram group, you are getting the trade. All right. And you don't have to be on the show. Not on the show, but you know, you don't got to be on the stream. All right. So let me update the group real quick. All right. And did we reach, 2340. Look at that. Another 20 pips. Easy. Let's go. Let's go. All because we just did a little quick analysis and walked ourselves through. And then, I convinced myself. Also, my intuition was like, yo, the way this market is moving, it's not coming back down. It's moving up. All right. And if we do go up, to come down, where will we come down at? Somewhere at this price. But by that time, we had already hit 90 clicks. You feel me? You see how that works? So we got TP2 being hit in that group. And let me update these guys. Now we got two TPs that have been smashed. Okay. Live here on stream. Live here on stream, guys. This is just too easy. At times, it becomes too easy. All right. Look at this area, point of interest area. Look at this target. They smacked this target. Smacked it. All right. So if you want, we're up what? I don't know. We just hit 40 pips. If you want, I always tell people, look, you don't gotta wait until this thing play out. If 20 pips was your goal for the day, take 20 pips. If 10 pips was your goal for the day, take the 10 pips, right? But I just like technical analysis. I like to see how well my analysis plays out, and I'll take some profits on the way up. While I'm watching my market, my analysis, my trade take off, right? I will literally just watch it and let money just roll. Like I'm gonna take partials and I'm gonna let the rest just ride. If once after I take my partials, if the market comes back to my break even or even come back to my stop loss, it is what it is, right? I've already taken money. I probably won't lose money if I put my stop at break even. So let's say we just went ahead and boom, break even. Boom. Break even right now, because I'm going to update the group and I'm going to let them know to break even now for risk-free trading. Boom. That's simple, guys. That simple. Right? Literally that simple. It don't get no simpler than that. Okay, we're at break even now. We're just gonna let this money just ride. I've taken some partials. I am just waiting. This is a waiting game. We're done. We're actually, guys, be done. Take money, see money, take money. Right? Don't feel like you gotta be sitting at these charts all freaking day. Right? Yeah, this market is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can come in here and make money as much as you want, right? But Me personally, I like have a plan and a design where I don't need much for my compound interest. As long as I hit my target for the day, boom, I'm good. Because see, now we've got on stream, here live on stream, if you look down at the bottom, it says that we've won 23, right? But we just won. We got to win. So this win is needs to be updated. Because now we're what? We're 24 wins up, right? So, which is good. 24 wins is pretty good. I'm sure my percentage rate has went up now. So we'll get the percentage rate. What is it? So that rate is going to be up. Let me change it real quick. Where is the rate at? Where is the freaking rate? All right, so 134, 24. We won 24 of them. I'm sorry, guys. I got to change this thing. The rate. I know I'm doing this on the stream with y'all, but this is how it goes, for real. Look. There's no lie there. Boom. Save. Back to the chart. Now we up. Look at that. 42 has now been smashed. So 2342 has now been hit right there. They did take this. So now let's just update this, baby. This is just for eyes, for my eyes. All right, so let me just update the group real quick and let them know that the last TP has been hit. And we're done. We're done. 7 minutes before 9 o'clock and we're finished, guys. TP3 smash. Boom. And we're out. There's no need for us to continue. You know, you could hold your position and get up there, or you could take partials or whatever. You know, trading is, you know, there's no real right or wrong way to do this, right? I mean, if you're losing, that's kind of wrong. But if you're in a win, there's really no right or wrong way of doing it. Just protecting yourself. Just protect yourself. That's it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just updating the group right now. So if you're in the Telegram group, you are getting these updates. And that's it, guys. That's it. That is the trading session. And I mean, I don't know any other. I really don't know any other way to teach you guys this. I mean, I'm breaking it down to child's play. This is freaking child's play, right? Like, I think maybe we had what, a little bit of drawdown when we got into this trade. Yeah, we had just a little bit of drawdown, but then look, she's up, right? Way up, aiming for this area. So this area was a target, and she smacked it, and now she's way up here. So I mean, guys, on stream, let's just be honest. You just got 79 pips. All right, she just tagged 79 pips on the stream. There ain't nothing else for us to do. Like, for me, real quick, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna watch and see where this could go. Could it get here? And that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna do nothing else after that. So I hope you guys learned something. Maybe I said something that'll help you out. All right. But other than that, I gotta get ready for my day. I got a really big day. I gotta goddamn drive 2 hours out. Right. Gotta go pick up a vehicle. It's 2 hours out. So I gotta get, you know, ready for that. But other than that, guys, that is all that I have for y'all on this stream today. Man, so super grateful for everybody that's subscribing. I'm watching my subscribers go up, and I'm just like, wow, people are actually watching. People are actually subscribing. All right. So, but I just want to make sure that I'm actually helping people. Right. My main goal is to help you guys. All right. show you guys what I'm looking at, what my eyes is looking at, and I'll get your eyes to see what my eyes are seeing, and then boom, you know, we gonna work from there. All right. Other than that, guys, I have nothing else for you today. I'm not going to hold you guys long. We've already been on stream for an hour and 5 minutes, but this is it. We're done. I could sit here and let this sit here. I will put up a alert right here just for, off stream purposes. There's no need for me to do anything else. You guys have already got plenty of pips. Plenty. All right. Plenty of pips. All right. So, but other than that, guys, man, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time, right here on the Mo Diesel stream on YouTube. Feel me? It's going down. We getting money every time we come to this market. No lie. All right. But that's all I got for y'all today. Y'all have a wonderful Wednesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mo Diesel out. Peace.